Hey guys, it's Tuesday, February the 6th. Hope everybody's doing great and having a good trading week starting out, hopefully. Got several trades that we're on. Some have already moved, taking off the profit on them. The pound dollar, it had a buy. This is from yesterday. It took a long time. I was able to get in over here though. That's where I got in. And I've already taken off half the position. I've moved my stop up to under here, so it's at break even plus a couple of extra dollars actually. About almost 10. But I've already taken off half the position on the pound dollar buy. The Aussie dollar in the buy here too, got in over here, and that was last night, and I've taken off half the position on it, and my stop is at break even plus a couple dollars on it too. And the pound CAD, same thing, got in not till over here. Was able to get in it as I had my set before bedtime for it to come down, and actually went down a little bit past where my entry was, but I'm taking off half the position, and it's up underneath this candle low right there now, so the second half of the position is going to make money as well. The pound yen, I'm not in. Let me squeeze this in. Buy before I take a buy, it's got to come down into here on the pound yen, otherwise there's nothing to do. Euro New Zealand is in a sale. I'm not in this, but I am looking for, let me squeeze it, a push back up because it's kind of pushed down without a opportunity to get in, so I'm looking for a turn back up somewhere into here to short it. So there's nothing to do on the Euro New Zealand. Pound New Zealand the same way. That did have a sell opportunity there, so it could still come back, but it just won't go up as far. So there's nothing to do on the pound New Zealand. New Zealand yen, looking for a buy opportunity down in here, so there's nothing to do on that one. Euro Aussie, let me see where the buy is in here. Yep, nothing to do on this till it gets down into here for a buy, so nothing to do on the Euro Aussie. The Euro CAD is now in a buy position, and let's see, this low is 44.93, 144.93. This is 90, trading at 50, so that's 7. I think I'm going to go ahead and take that right now because it's such a low risk trade. I have to follow my rules. Have to follow my rules. Alright, so I'm in that one with basically a $9 risk, I believe, 93. Yep, $9.5 risk. So $9.5 is the most I can lose on the Euro CAD buy. So if it takes that out, I'll be, let me see where the next, oh yeah, too far away. Too far away. So if it takes this low out, even touches it, if it touches that low, I'm getting out, and I'll look for another buy opportunity. Pound CAD is in a sell still. Going to look and see where the buy is. Would be back down in here somewhere, so there's nothing to do on the pound Aussie. CAD yen in a sell, looking for it could either come down into here for a buy or up in here for a sell. So it's in no man's land. That's what I call it. Nothing to do on the CAD yen. Euro yen, we're looking at the same thing. Looking for a buy down in here, or a sell somewhere back up in here. So there's nothing to do on the euro yen. Aussie yen, looking for a buy down here. See, it ran away. It usually comes back to these when it runs away like that. So I'm going to look for a buy opportunity down in here. The next sell opportunity is way up here, so there's nothing to do on the Aussie yen. So it's basically the pound dollar, the Aussie dollar, and the pound CAD. That's the ones I'm in, not in the Euro CAD now. Now I'm in the Euro CAD with a small risk. If it takes that out, that low, if it just touches that low, I'm out. So I'll lose $9.50. But then I'll look for another opportunity to get in long when the setup is there. So when it gets down in here where it's low risk, where it broke up from, I have to take these. I have to. But the risk is low, $9.50. Big Mac combo meal. So it's worth that. And then with a risk. I'm getting a lot of questions and comments in my email, not in my comments section, so I'm not real sure why y'all not comment and put in the comment section underneath the video. I guess maybe you're just not wanting everybody else to be able to see it, which is okay. If that's the way you want to do it, makes you feel comfortable, that's fine. I still answer the emails. But I had the question of where, how do I figure taking off the first half of my position. And again, this is just what I do. What I do here for you guys on video is for education purposes only. Remember that. You take these trades at your own risk. Do not risk money that you can't afford to lose. If it's money that you're using to pay rent, car note, baby diapers, stuff like that, you need to stop trading yesterday and just do a demo account and learn until you get some money built up that you can afford to lose. So the currencies all have different ranges, which is I explained to this person that emailed me last night. And because they all have different ranges, some are shorter and some are bigger. So that's what determines where I take them off. Like the Aussie dollar doesn't have a big range. The New Zealand yen, CAD yen, Aussie yen, all of them do not have big ranges. So they're usually off at 30 pips is where I take it off at. Everything else ranges from 35 up to 60, which is the pound New Zealand. That's the only one that's that high. Everything else is in between the 30 and 35 and 60. And then I just move them up as the currency moves. You need a little retracement or a sideways move and then a push higher to take out a higher high. That way you can move the stop up. Thanks for the subscribers too. I had 2 more yesterday. Subscribe. Thank you for that. For those of you who had done that, and those of you who haven't, I wish that you would. And I'm not trying to get Taylor Swift subscribers. That's what I always say, and it's true. I just want enough to where I know that I'm making a difference. And I'd love to go back to live streaming, but I've got to have a good response, and I'm not getting a good response. So apparently y'all don't want me to go to live streaming. So, which is okay. If you just still want me to do the videos, I'll do the videos every day. But I think you can learn faster by live streaming, because then you can answer questions. Even though you can answer questions in the comments section under my video. So either way is fine. I'm okay with that, because I enjoy teaching and helping people, potentially be able to learn. Because I want you guys to get to the point where you don't need me, because now you're learning and you're making money on your own. You don't need me anymore. So that's the whole point of this. But I just ask in return, when you get to that point, that you return the favors for someone else by teaching them. And I'm going to have this video is being recorded. It will be posted in about 20 minutes. I will have another video for y'all tomorrow, and we'll see y'all tomorrow. Have a good night. Oh, there is New Zealand dollar news tonight, so just be wary of that. This could be a mover. So if you're in anything that's tied to the New Zealand dollar, just be careful. So just heads up on that, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.